Inutusan yung dalawa ni Daddy na kunin na yung mga damit. Kasi mag-ano na si Daddy, mag-ano na siya, may langaw. Magkakat ng grass. So, yun naman yung next niyang gagawin after ng car. Ayun si Kuya. Kinuha niya yung mga sinampay. 1:30 naka-rope pa din tayo. Si Jan nagkakat na ng grass. Sobrang haba ng grass namin. Tingnan niyo. So, nakita niyo yung grass namin sobrang haba and malulusog sila and super green kasi nga sa weather. Yung weather natin ay autumn na, so green na green yung grass. And today, ang ganda ng araw, so nagload ulit ako ng mga labahan. Samantalahin natin ang init para matuyo. Kasi mayroon pa akong sinampay doon, hindi pa tuyo yung white, pero hindi na namin tinanggal dyan or nilabas. Naglaban na lang ulit ako para matuyo siya. Kasi yung kanina umaga natuyo talaga. So, yeah, hugasan ko lang yung mga kinainan ng mga bata. And, tapos ako mag-edit, sinisave ko na lang. Then, after ko maghugas, i-upload ko yun. So, para may vlog tayo mamaya. Nagtutupi na pala tayo, guys. Kasi meron na naman isasampay, maya-maya. Tapos ko nang tupiin yung kinuha ni Kuya sa line. Yung doon yung kagabi na kinuha ko, hindi ko pa natupi, guys. Nagutom na ako. Magluto ako ng egg. Mag-egg lang tayo kasi wala tayong ano. Meron ako dyan na salmon ata. Tsaka may meat pa din pero naka-frozen kasi. So mag-egg na lang tayo. Tapos may hotdog na tira yung mga bata. And eto, tanggalin ko to. Mayroon pa siyang ano yung tawag niyan yung tagal na to sa akin. Dalawa to. Kasi ito nga linalagyan ko ng cupcake. Noon nag-bake ako. Birthday ng mga bata. Tapos pinapadala ko sa school. Maliliit pa sila. Ngayon hindi na. Hindi na tayo nakakapag. Minsan. Cake. Hindi na cupcakes. Pero siguro babalik ulit ako doon sa baking. Okay, magluto muna ako. Kasi gutom na ako. Oras na. Alas 3 na guys. Hindi pa wala akong kain. Simula kanina pagising ko. Si Kuya nanonood na ng kanyang footy. Team nila dyan. Si Donna yan. So, ito na yung egg. And, natanggal ko na yung sticker, blower ko. Ayan yung sticker niya. Para madali, blower. Para hindi siya magdikit-dikit ba? Yung napuputol. Yung madumi. So, ayan, malinis yung pagtanggal natin. Kasi gumamit tayo ng blower. Okay, kain na muna ako, guys. Kain. Si Jan nakaligo na. Pa side dish tayo, guys. Ito yung seaweed. Kain. 2 eggs pala yung niluto ko. And ito yung ating seaweed. Kain. What are you doing? Naamoy mo lang. Gustong-gusto niya ito. You like it? Yeah. So, pagpunta ko ng Adelaide, bibili tayo nito kasi ka-frozen siya. So, ayan. Kain na. Totoo na to. Ayan, 2 egg. Yung isa na durog yung yolk. Nakabantay na siya dito. Ang dami niyang nakain. Feeling ko maubos namin to. And, kumarin siya ng ito yung seaweed. Si Sak ang halos kumain nito, guys. Ubos. And ito din. And naubos ko rin. Guys, nakaligo na ako. Binasa ko na yung kilay. Alis tayo kasi si Holly na ang merong dancing lesson na. Okay, I will tie your hair in the car.
But there's a clip there, but I can't see at the back.
Okay, come on.
Mom, tie my hair.
We don't have time. I'm just gonna tie your hair in the car. Come on. Kasi 5 o'clock ang ano niya. I got it. Here. Come on, come on. Just your comb. Come on. Okay. First time natin dito. Where's the shopping bag? Sak, get the shopping bag. Shopping bags, please. First time natin i-drive yung car. Gamit ko na rin yung bago nating bag na galing sa Uniqlo. Okay, put your seat belt, please. Oh, siya na talaga. Wala nang araw na.
Bag.
Yeah, ang daming bag. Is it inside? No, outside. Okay, put your seat belt now, please. Sama natin si Sak.
Still recording?
Yeah. Can't reach it.
Have to hold it.
My stuffed up. I stuffed up, Mum.
Okay.
I'll say
See ya.
See, Dad.
remember the lights, you go all the way.
All the way, yeah. Okay, push. Push it. No, ask Daddy na lang.
What are you doing?
He wants to push it forward.
Cool.
Alright. Okay.
That's enough, don't touch that. Put your seatbelt on.
Dito na tayo guys sa kung saan mag-dance lesson si Holly. And hinubad ko yung jacket kasi medyo mainit. Mainit siya. Ang ganda yung ano din, yung weather. Kanina umaga medyo malamig yung hangin. Ayan si Holly. Ayan si Holly. Okay. Kami can see here? Okay. Iniwan na namin si Holly girl doon.
Can I see the scores?
Scores for what? Yeah, in a minute. Punta kami ng Baker's Delight kasi 6 o'clock or 5:30 sila magsasara. 6 o'clock ata. So, unahin namin yon. Kuha tayo ng tinapay. Kasi, wala tayong tinapay. Kanina naghanap si Kuya. Come on, Saki. Get in the car. Sarado yung Baker's Delight tsaka She's Apples. Kasi ano nga yung Anzac Day? Holiday pala. So, wala talaga tayong tinapay. Ayun siya guys. Oh, sarado. Natawa ko guys. Sabi ni Zach, Mom, what is BWS stand for? What did you say?
B1 Sprite.
Louder.
B1 Sprite.
This is not a Sprite. No, it's Spirits. Ayan kasi guys, tinanong niya kung ano, kuha daw kayo ng soft drinks dyan. Kasi kung wala dyan soft drinks, so sabi niya, ano ang BWS? So, it's not Sprite. Sabi niya, beer, wine, Sprites. Yun yung sabi niya, yung hindi niya pa nababasa. Spirits. Okay, come on. Punta na lang kami ng Kmart. Kasi wala tayong makukuhang tinapay sa Baker's Delight. Tapos punta kami ng Foodland. Tingin tayo. Oy, Sak, we should bring the shopping bag. Kuha kami ng shopping bags. I think at the back, Sak. It's not there? I thought you got it. Ay, wala. Not here?
Yeah, wala, Mum.
Wala. Oh no. Wala din pala tayong shopping bags.
Yeah, Mum, no, because it's like a button. It's like a button.
Okay. Okay, wala rin tayong shopping bags. Akala ko kinuha niya. Oh, kinuha ni Jan. Nilagay ba sa likod? Hindi rin pala. So, walay talaga. Hindi tayo makapag-shopping dito siguro. You right? Okay. There's no car, right? Sarado yung mga shops. Kasi nga, ano, holiday. Holiday today. Kasi 5, ano pa lang? 5:10?
I swear. That one.
What?
We can't get one of the videos.
A what? Oh, the DVD. Yeah. Wala na yung dinadaanan namin na shortcut papuntang Kmart. Yung mga DVDs. Ano na siya? What do you call now? Lovisa na. Okay, Kmart muna tayo. Tama tayo sa Kmart. Tingin-tingin. What? Nag-stop siya doon. Tingin-tingin lang tayo dito. Silang food dehydrator. Kaso wala tayong mapaglalagyan. Matagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng dehydrator. Para mag-dry ng mga fruits o kaya vegetables. No. Kaso wala tayong paglalagyan sa bahay kasi. No, we're not getting that, love. Ito, maganda rin ito. Wow, wait a second, Sak. Ito, maganda rin ito. Here, maganda siya. Oh. Ito, meron ko nito black. What, Zachary? What? What you found? What's that? Container. Container. You want this?
Sure.
I got the other one. I got the container there.
Where? This one?
No, not this one.
Is it this one?
No, not that one.
Yes, it is.
No, the one I have. Ah, this one. This is good for blueberries and
Yeah, but that's why.
strawberries. Maybe we'll get this one for your blueberries.
Well, let's go.
Yeah, to put in. You think so?
Yeah, I'll get it.
You want that? I'm not sure. We'll see. Tingin-tingin lang muna tayo. Kinuha niya yung isa. Ako, itong kinuha ko para sa blueberries. Tsaka strawberries. Siya kinuha niya kasi nakita niya sa Tita Ray's na yung lalagyan ng grapes. Meron ako doon na lalagyan pero glass yun, mabigat. Ito kasi light. So, ito nakuha natin sa Kmart. What's that? Okay, come on. Gusto niyang gawin ang self-check. Yeah. Start here. No, cancel. Go back. Okay. Scan. The barcode. Yeah. And you have to scan this one. Because we're gonna buy bag. Find the barcode. Here. And open it. Open it. Put your thing. Okay, put it here. Find the barcode. Okay. That's alright. Okay, here. It's alright now. Careful, don't drop it. Thank you. I'm using my own bag, yes. Okay. Okay. Can. I'm using my own bag nga. We have someone. Okay. Put it here. You put in the bag sack. That's why you have a bag. Okay. Pay. This one. Just one press. Okay, pay. Alright, I'll do it now. Okay, in-scan ko yung card ko dito. Sabi ni Zach. What did you say, Zach?
But what? We put all the money on it.
Oh, you think so? Oh, don't forget your receipt. Okay, let's go to Foodland. Told you. Ayun, saan ko na yung receipt. Kailangan palang i-scan. What's that? Ayan yung bagong ano, oh. Shop. What did you say?
Everything's closed.
I know, closed. Kasi nga, public holiday today. Foodland tayo. Sarado din ang mga kainan dito. Okay. Maybe we just try. Ah, yeah, okay. Yan na lang daw sabi ni Zach. That's not good bag, Zach. Karo siya ng apples. Ayaw ni Zach ng apple na to. Kasi sabi ko, ito lang kunin niya. Ayaw kasi soft daw. So, yan ang kinukuha niya. Just 3? Okay. For now. Kasi mag-grocery tayo bukas sa Coles. Okay. Let's get strawberries here. It looks nice. Yeah, I know. They're small. You want it? Kasi, ano, parang maganda naman. Kuha tayo nito. Kasi maganda. Maganda. Pero maliliit nga lang. Okay. I'm not sure. We're just gonna try. Kuha na kaya ako nito. Ah, bukas na lang. Tingin daw siya ng chips dito. What chips? Any chips? Ha? Wala raw. Wala. Okay. You want that hot one? Okay. Oh, this is pork. I don't want pork. Kailangan natin beef. Kuha tayo ng Scotch fillet.
Scotch fillet.
Scotch fillet. Ito na lang siguro. Which one is, you think? This one?
Yes.
Ito, okay.
That one.
Oh, you got bread.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I'm just gonna
No, what's it?
hold it. Yeah, I'm just gonna hold this one. What else, Zach? What are you doing? Tinawagan ko si John. That one? Sure, Han?
Scotch.
Which one? Let me know.
That'll do.
The Scotch is softer, right?
Yeah, Scotch is nice, but porterhouse is good too.
So which one? Should I get both?
Just go to the porterhouse.
For now? Okay.
Yeah.
But it looks like, let me see. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Alright.
You just cut your steaks off that.
Alright, okay. So, gusto try natin yan. Okay. Alright.
Pieces.
Alright, okay, good.
Alright,
Bye, love, bye, bye.
123,000.
Gusto kong kunin din to. Should I get this one? Both? What? Sabi niya yun na lang kasi malaki na yun. Next time, eto. Okay. Alright. Okay. Oh, you can put that one here. Oh, put it here now. Oh, you wanna drink first? Okay, open it. Drink first. Kasi i-carry niya yun. Uhaw na siya. What's that? Gatorade? Okay. Close it properly, please. Remember before? Remember? Okay. Dito. Doon. That way. Doon. That way. Thank you. Siya nang may kargang steak. SNS? SNS? SNS. Diyan ako nagpapa-SNS. Okay. Ha? What? I can't hear you, sir.
I want to say he won the football one.
Oo kasi, di ba iniwan natin si Kuya doon? Kasi nanonood siya ng essay doon. Come on. Ang dilim na sa labas.
You really go like
No, okay. We're gonna pick up Holly. Huh? Yeah, so... No, 6 o'clock, huh? Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na parang may pailaw siya dyan, oh. And alam niyo ba kung saan nilagay ni Sak yung steak? Doon sa car seat ni Holly. Okay, pick upin na natin si Holly. Anong oras na? Tamang-tama. 6 o'clock matatapos si Holly. 5:49 na. Okay, ready? Dito na tayo sa kung saan nagda-dance lesson si Holly. Ayan, yung ating pailaw. O, diba? May pailaw. Wala kasi yan yung dati naming car. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo. Drink again. Okay. Alisin ko rin yung steak doon. May oras pa naman tayo. 6 o'clock matatapos si Holly. Malapit lang to. Pwede nga lakarin eh. From Kmart to sa nag-dance lesson si Holly. Okay, alisin ko lang to. Dinagay ko dun sa floor. Are you alright, Zach? Okay, let's go. Yeah. Di pa tapos si Holly. So, hintayin lang natin siya dito. Yung ibang mother nandoon. What time is it? 5:53. 6 o'clock magtawag si Holly. So, papanorin natin si Holly. Kami pala. Dito na si Holly. Panorin lang namin. Thank you. Well done. Okay. Si Sak talaga. Kinuha niya yung chinelas. Dinala dito sa hagdanan. Zach! I'm not gonna kick this. That's what happened or what you did to Holly. Kasi kinuha niya yung chinelas ni Holly, dinala niya sa hagdanan. Yeah. Dilim na no guys. Dilim na. 6 o'clock pa lang. Yeah. Okay, Baba. Watch out for the steak. It's on the floor, okay? Don't step on. Yeah, we're going home now. Okay, let's go. Bahay na tayo, guys. And ayan na yung ating steak na slice mamay hiwain. And ang dinner natin ay pizza. Did you wash your hands, baby girl? Okay. And Zachary, what did you said about the car? What did you say about it?
Bigger.
Bigger? How big?
I think 2 more inches.
Yan na sinabi niya, Mom. Sabi niya, Mom, this car is a bit bigger. No, bigger, Mom. Sabi ko, really? Yeah, like 2 inch bigger than the old car.
Yeah.
Maganda siyang i-drive. Magugas din ako ng kamay. Kakain din tayo ng pizza. Tinanong ako ni John kung kamusta po yung pag-drive ko. Sabi ko, I love it. Maganda siyang i-drive.
You left the jumper in the car.
Yes, I left the jumper in the car. Wait lang, hugas na akong kamay. Maghugas na ako ng kamay. Maghugas ulit tayo. Ilagay ko lang to sa fridge. Ang bigat niya. Ilang kilo ba to? Yung laman ng ref natin ay, yan, malaking bunny na chocolate.
The biggest one we ever seen.
Yeah. Kain na tayo. Kain muna ako, guys. Ano pala yun? Almost 5 kilos yung ating steak.
What?
The steak. Ang daming pizza, guys. Busog pa pala ako. Kakain sana ako. Tapos pagtingin ko, ay, busog pa ako. Di ba kumain ako kanina bago umalis? So, ang dami naming pizza. Pwede pa itong pang lunch bukas. Yeah, sayang din yan. Yes. Gusto ko yung mga gilid. Yeah, lunch for tomorrow.
Anyone want have some garlic bread, Bob?
No school tomorrow, Baba.
You're going to school.
I'm still full, hon. This still warm.
Yeah, I know. I've covered it.
Yeah, it's still warm. Busog na I'm still full. No school tomorrow. Next week, your school. Well, excited kayo? I-sharp niya na yung knife kasi hiwain ko yung yung steak.
Where is it?
Second drawer, hon.
That is the second drawer.
Probably want that one, right?
Holly. No, I want that one, the big one, babe, please. Pang fillet, yeah, pang fillet yan. Lumabas si Jan. Pumunta siya dun sa shed niya, kinuha niya yung kanyang.
If you want.
Oh, sinasharp niya na yun. Ewan kung bakit lumabas siya.
That one.
That one. Baka ano naman ako niyan. Ayan yung kanyang iba-ibang klaseng knives. Yeah.
So that follows the meat.
Okay. Ayan daw yung gamitan. Is it sharp?
Yeah.
I want that one, honey. I'm used to that one.
Use this one. This will get you.
Yeah, will get
No,
me.
it won't. You've not cut
Okay.
like that. Cut like this.
Okay. Ang nagsabi pala nito, ang nagsabi niyan nagturo sa akin na bumili ako ng ganyan na kalaking steak, tas ako na lang maghiwa ay yung asawa ng friend niya. Kasi last time, no, golf awarding, mayroon silang steak for kids din. And, for kids ba yun? Yung anak niya yata yung may order ng kids na steak. And, sabi ko, gusto ko ganito kaninipis, sabi ko sa kanya. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, bili ka sa Foodland. Na, yung ganyan slab na malaking, scotch or porterhouse steaks. Tapos ikaw na lang mag-slice. So, kaya pumunta tayo. And then, kung maalala niyo, pumunta kami sa, what was that, honey? The one yeah, the OG. Nag-order ako ng kids meal steak. And gustong-gusto ko siya. Kasi manipis lang. Yes, baby?
I think that's Dad's knife collection.
Knife collection? Okay. Meron tayong knife. Hiwain ko na to. And mas mura to, guys, kaysa butcher. Kasi ang steak ni Jan kinukuha ko halos sa, sa butcher. Minsan lang kumuha ng steak sa Coles pag nagmamadali ako, wala akong time pumunta ng butcher. So, ngayon, eto, ang laki na nito, oh. Babasa na siya. Marami si Holly magbasa. Marami akong clips na kinuha kay Holly, nagbabasa siya. Nung first day of school niya, na grade 1 na siya. Wonder. Yeah. And eto, guys, is it 4.99 kilo, Han? So, parang 5 kilo na siya. Almost 5 kilos. Tapos, 123.11 lang siya. O, ikaw na mag-slice. Mas mura to. Compared dun sa nabibili ko sa, sa
What is it?
Butcher or sa Coles na nakaslice na. Nagbabasa siya. Sige, maghiwa na tayo. Surprise. And, kinuha ko yung ating vacuum na reusable na Ziploc. And may gloves na tayo.
Mama, be careful. Don't cut your finger
I'm not.
when you're there.
I know, like before. Okay, I'm gonna... Chopping board. I need a bigger chopping board. Ikat niya muna. Oh, ang sharp nga. The juice. Okay, just put it here.
10.
Pat dry lang natin siya.
Ooh, look at all that birdie.
Okay, I'll do it now, hon.
I'll just cut your sizes.
Like this? Yeah, like this
Oh,
thing
you reckon?
for myself and the
That's
kids. Yeah, that's the one.
You're hacking. You're doing this.
Sabi
You
niya.
gotta go like.
Well, I'm not like you, babe. I cannot.
Dad, does this say he was?
Oh, yes.
You got to push.
Dad, does this say she was?
You got to push.
Filling? Dad, this it's Dad. She will filling,
Feeling,
so
yeah.
feeling.
Yeah, so ganyan lang.
Excited on this.
How about you? How thick?
about that?
Like this? Oh, ito kay
On this
Jan.
very
You're not getting much
Spell out.
pressure there, babe.
Huh?
You're not getting much pressure there.
So I have to do this, hon.
Yeah, we've got to
Whoa.
push on it.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I'm up to.
Yan kay Johnny boy.
There we go.
Okay.
What, who's this one for? The next one?
Just cut yours first, son. Because I can do the kids.
Thanks, Mom.
Ano niya talaga, sharp. Sus, that's very thick, babe.
So you want it?
Okay. But I like the one I had on with no fat. Remember the one I had from OG?
Yeah, well, that'd
Like
cut
the
that
round,
off.
like the round one.
That'd cut that off, but leave that for flavour.
Cut more for yourself.
Because you got 5. That's a fat one, Dad. But do you have to cook him first?
No, I'm gonna vacuum it.
Chopping board's not
Huh?
big enough, babe.
The cardboard, chopping board. Malulubat na ako.
Who are we doing?
Just yours, hon, because we have a lot there. Just do yours.
It's so satisfying.
So satisfying.
Why?
Because when you cut it, but it's all for you. I wish I could help.
Just do yours.
You are, Baba.
Huh?
You are.
How?
It's hard here. So you've got to sort of cut it.
Knife. Help.
More?
Bubbles.
Okay.
That bit.
Oh yeah, Dad, it was Jack Stringer's birthday today.
Yeah, well, what's her name?
So I would have got suspended.
What's her name? What's her name? Done nothing. Redmond in the last quarter.
No, what you
Oh,
mean?
We can do that.
Jai Colwell.
Pieces.
No. No. I'll
What?
do it.
Dad, Jai Colwell would have got suspended. He's gonna get suspended.
Why? I just can't believe. Are you watching this, Zach? This is where it all fell apart.
Dad, Jai Colwell got tackled.
Oh, he's crying. There's Zach.
Who's crying?
And then someone just went.
Mom, put that one away.
Okay.
Mom, throw the back that one.
Yan. Nalagay na natin sa vacuum. Ito yung swelling. Na-review ko pakita ko na to sa inyo before. Yung sinasak niya yung air. So, meron siyang etong malit na etong pangsara. Wait lang.
You have used it before.
Yes, we did.
You have to put it in there.
Then, sana enough yung pagka-charge niya. Ay, wrong. Wait. Tagal ko na kasi siyang hindi nagamit. So, yan. Kita nyo ba? Ayan.
How does that do it? It's magical, isn't it?
Alright.
Is it finished?
Yes. Pero pag gusto mo more. Alright. So, ayan.
Mom, why
Na-vacuum na siya. What?
It's like a vacuum.
Yeah. Pero gusto ko tight na tight. Ayan.
Oh, look at the juice.
Pwede mo siyang ulit-ulitin na maging tight siya. Is it enough? You think so?
Look at the juice.
Nagsisenyas na yung aking asawa. Ayan na siya.
Mom, there's a bit of juice there.
Yeah.
Is that
Excuse
how
me,
it
Baba.
works? Wait.
So, sa isang bag na malaki, 5 yung nilagay ko kasi 5 lang naman kami.
You got so much to do.
Maganda to guys, lalo na kung i-freezer nyo yung food. And kahit hindi. Ayan. Ilalagay sa fridge lang, matagal yung life ng food. Lalo na yung veggies. So, eto.
I think juice is gonna come out on that one.
Kukusa siyang hihinto.
I don't see any juice, but I think it will come out.
Okay. Ayan. Okay.
Wait, I'm doing this. Like, I went off the wall. I'm playing. That. And I got it for the 10 minutes.
So, yan, dalawa. Eto, dalawa din. Sealed lang natin siya. So, meron siyang ganitong pang-sealed.
Really? Really, you bought?
Yan, dalawa din. And eto, 3 ang laman. Then eto, 3. Alam ko lang yung meat. Ayan, tapos ko na silang i-vacuum. Ito yung malaki na 5 pieces ang laman. And ito yung maliliit na bag na 2 or 3 ang laman. Ayan. And sa mga magtatanong kung hindi nyo napanood yung unang pakita ko or nag-unbox ako nito. Nag-unbox pa ako nito or ginamit ko lang siya. So, Amazon ko siya nabili. Ayan yung brand niya, guys. So, search nyo na lang sa Amazon. Isang box to na may kasama, may package siyang ganito, mayroon pang vacuum, tapos mayroong ziplock, pero ako bumili pa rin ako ng mga extra ziplock, tapos meron din tong glass na container na malaki at saka maliit. So yun yung set na binili ko. Basta hanapin nyo lang kung gusto nyo lang naman, kasi for me gusto ko siya tulad sa mga ganito na mag-freeze tayo ng meat, or kahit hindi mag-freeze ng meat, ilalagay lang natin sa fridge ng mga vegetables. Long life talaga siya, o diba? Hindi po yan, sponsor. Share ko lang sa inyo kasi isa ito sa mga gusto kong gamit sa kitchen. Ayan, swelling. Okay, lagay ko na ito sa freezer. And bukas, ito ang aming ulam. So, ilalagay ko yan sa bag. So, bukas, yung dinner namin ay ito, yung steak. Porterhouse steak. Right, babe? Yes. Bili ako ng bukas. Bukas, marami pang bibili. So, ayan. Ito, ilagay din natin sa... Bumili kami ng Wonderhan. Because the Baker's Delight was closed, so we just got you that one. Ito ka. Sak, your drink here, please. Ito, hugasan ko na itong strawberries. Para may lagay ko na dito sa aking bagong container. Nilalagay ko yan dati, yung ating ano, at dito, nabibigatan yung mga bata. Kasi dito, fresh na fresh ang strawberries. So, nabibigatan sila pag kinukuha nila. So, masarap. Maganda to sa mga, ito yung isa sa mga kasama sa box ng swaling ito. Nung binili ko siya, isa to. Meron siyang dalawa. Tapos, dalawang ganito kalaki, tsaka isang maliit.
I knew you should have bought water. It's really spicy.
Ayan, ito yung maliit.
Mommy, spicy, healthy for you.
Yeah. Ayan. Nabibigatan sila. So, ito, hugasan ko. Lagyan natin dito yung grapes. Wala tayong fruits. Ito lang yung fruits natin. Ayun nga lang. Paano na to buksan? Ayan. Hugasan ko to. Tapos lagyan natin dito. Kasi mayroon siyang division. Ayan. Oh, pwede mo siyang parang i-divide. Tama nga, division. Pwede siyang pang ganito. Ayan. Ganyan. Or, pwede siyang ganito. Ayan, ganyan. Ayan. Kung gusto mo ditong grapes sa ilalim, blueberries sa ibabaw. Tapos, dito mo lang siya kukunin. Pero parang mahirap. So, ganito na lang. Ganito. Ayan. And, eto, yung kinuha ni Saki. Pwede rin siyang vegetables ang ilagay. Ayan. Okay, ugasan ko lang yan. And, I got 3 apples here for now. Put this one there. Walang laman yung aming. Walang. Kumain sila ng Cheetos na manghang. Walang laman yung ating basket, guys. Oops. Ayan. As in, 0. Ilagay natin itong 3 apple. Hindi tayo nang pag-grocery kasi wala din. Walang fresh. Hoy! Ang sayo nila, may tournament sila sa PS. What's wrong? Tingnan naman si Zachary. Parang ewan. May tupin pa ako doon, guys. Hi!
Mommy, look my shop!
That's alright.
I want to chase coffee.
Siya. Punta siya sa friend niya kasi ilang weeks niya hindi nakita ang friend niya. Guys, naka-PJs na tayo and nakapaghilamos and binasa ko ulit yung kilay natin. Ito na yung pang 9 days na ata today. Since nung nagpakilay tayo. And linagyan ko na siya ng cream yung binigay nila. Hi!
Mom, show me.
Okay. Siya guys, nag-yoga siya kanina. What's that?
It's flexible.
Flexible.
You try to get flexible, like bending your back.
Ayan, nag-stretching siya. So, yan. Linagyan ko ulit siya ng cream yung binigay nila sa akin. And yung aking lashes, gustong-gusto ko. Ayan, talagang curl na curl pa rin siya. Kahit ilang beses ko na yan rin na-rub. Pero ayan, okay pa rin siya. And then yung kilay natin, may nakikita na ako mga, yung parang patchy ba? Yung gap-gap. Pero hindi pa siya tapos mag-bakbak. Anyway, nugasan ko na pala yung ating mga bagong binili. Ito, nugasan ko to kanina. And ito, yung paglalagyan ko ng blueberries or strawberries. Meron siyang ganito, diba? Yan. Tapos, ito. So, pwede naman pala siyang, ito, pwede ko itong tanggalin para makita ng mga bata kung anong laman. Tapos, ilagay ko ito dito. Ayusin ko lang. Kanina nalagay ko eh. Wait. Basta pwede siyang ilagay. Okay. Okay, hindi na siya nakikisama. Wait lang guys. Ayusin ko. So, ayan, nalagay ko na. So, pwede siyang ganyan. And, dyan tutulo yung kung may excess water yung ating blueberries or strawberries. Hindi ko na lang to ilagay.
Or grapes.
Yeah, or grapes. So, nugasan ko na.
So you put water in it and then
Yeah.
put them in.
Yeah, ayan. Nugasan ko na yan. So, ilalagay ko na siya. No, bedtime na, Baba. You have to brush your teeth now, please. Tomorrow, you can. And si Jan pala nandito na. Nagpapamassage na siya kay Zaki Boy. Kasi si Zaki Boy naman talaga ang taga-massage namin dito. And si Holly, si Kuya hindi masyado. Lagay natin yung grapes. Grapes, strawberries. Ay, nagbalentok siya. Baka hindi pwede. Ako lang may gusto. Pwede yan. Diba? Pwede yan, guys. Try natin. So, ayan na siya. Tapos, ayan, tumutulo. Makikita nyo? Tumutulo yung water. So, okay na yan. Takip na. Diba? Hindi pa tayo marunong magtakip. Oops, paano? Ayaw niya. May isa, hindi ko maano. Bakit ayaw? Ba't ayaw? Yung isa lang. Hirap pa naman to. O hindi lang tayo marunong. Ayaw talaga niya. Bakit? Ito ba yung takip? Oo, ito yung takip niya. Okay. Bakit? Ayaw mo. Masarap. Ayaw niya talaga. Ayaw guys. Bakit? Ito nga ang isang kabila mo. Nilagay ko yung gray para sabi ko baka masarap. Pero hindi talaga guys. Hindi siya masarap. Bakit kaya? Ito naman okay lang. Mabilis lang. Ito hindi talaga. Hindi. Unahin natin siya ha. Unahin ko to. Wala eh. Wala talaga. Ayaw niyang masarap. Asan yung receipt nito? Ibalik natin to. Palitan. Kasi ito madali lang naman. Ito ayaw talaga. Ala. Asan yung kanyang receipt? Sa Kmart to eh. Ayan. Papalitan natin siya kasi sayang naman. Maganda siya pero hirap lang siyang isara. Okay guys, end ko na yung vlog. Yun na yung vlog natin. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Good night. Good night guys.
Because I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me.